Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your wealth with HSBC, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your wealth effectively, start by understanding the importance of diversification. Consider spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. HSBC offers investment solutions that can help you achieve this diversification. Next, evaluate your risk tolerance. This involves determining how much risk you are willing to take with your investments. HSBC provides a risk assessment tool that can guide you in understanding your risk profile. After assessing your risk, consult with an HSBC financial advisor. A professional can provide tailored advice based on your specific financial goals. Now, take advantage of HSBC's wealth protection products. These may include life insurance, critical illness coverage, and inheritance planning. Review your current portfolio regularly. Staying informed about your investments allows you to adjust them according to market conditions. HSBC offers tools for monitoring and analyzing your portfolio's performance. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. This strategy helps you consistently grow your wealth over time. HSBC provides information on tax-efficient vehicles that may benefit your long-term growth. Educate yourself on market trends and economic indicators. Staying informed can help you make better investment decisions. Utilize HSBC's educational resources and market research. Finally, always keep an emergency fund. Having accessible savings can protect you from unexpected financial setbacks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.